just need to pack these beauties away and tidy up for a change. That's alright, it's not too bad. Hello mates, how goes it? Today I'm going to be doing orders for a change and trying to get to grips with this freebie page. I've designed all the products, I've made all the products, and I've done the photographs for them, but every time I try to send them to my website guy, for some reason email shrinks them and they're not usable. So I'm having to then send the photographs to my iPad and then send them to him one at a time from there. None of this makes sense to me, and I don't know if I'm just missing a setting or something, but it's all part of the course. Yes, that's how it goes. Anyway, I can't say thank you enough for the orders. I know I keep saying it all the time, but it's absolutely blown me away. It's really exciting, and I mean, it's taken me a long time. You know, I've been self-employed for nearly 30 years. It's a long time to finally get it and to have a business that is like, yeah, this is going to work, and I know what I'm doing enough to make it work. So let's crack on with the day. Got myself a new tripod for filming when you know, when I'm doing like the painting and things like that, and it can be set up and it won't be in the way and it won't wobble like my other little thing did. Can you believe there are only 7 of these left? I think I'm going to have to keep a couple for myself because I won't be able to order any more now, which means there might be only 5. Thank you. Hello my loves, it's such a beautiful autumn day. The sun is streaming through the window. It's actually Saturday and it's been mad busy. I've not been able to film this week, so basically I'm here to tell you this is a tiny short vlog. It's not going to last very long at all. I'm just going to pop these on my iPad by photographing them, edit them and print them out, make them into cards. I'll show you how I do that. But apart from that, that's going to be it for this week, guys. I'm really sorry. I cannot squeeze it in. Anyway, we've still got this one. We've still got these few minutes. So join me with a cuppa and let's get going. I'm going to go and edit these now. I might actually end up popping them on the Mac and using Lightroom to edit them, just to bring the whites up, because I don't know how I'm going to flood that with white. I'm going to give it a go. Let's see how it goes on the iPad first, and then maybe I'll pop it up on the Mac if I can't do it that way. Okay, so I'm just going to pop the pictures into Lightroom because I couldn't get the whites white without affecting the rest of the image. It's still not bringing the whites right up, even though I've got whites at 100%. I think I'm going to pop it into Photoshop and see if we can bring those whites up. This isn't working out how I had planned. Okay, for some reason it's coming up a bit brighter on camera, but you can see at the bottom here all of the torn tape. I've got to try and repair that, but I was going to do that in iPad. So let's just get the colours sorted here. All of this is autism and ADD. pretty, doesn't it? You know what, should it have one of these hollies? How's the thing over there? What's the name? Let's try it. That is cute, isn't it? I think this leaf here is still too big. You know what, I'm just going to take off a little bit. Nice one over there. Bit that goes over the lettering. So I think I'm going to do the triangle one on a A6 card and do the wreath obviously on a square card. It makes it. So now you haven't got the arm going over the whole thing. No. That was too long to put in the bloops. And this video isn't actually long enough to have bloopers, so that's the way it goes. So, can you see the screen? This is what you're supposed to be doing. Right? I'm just going to add in. Oh, when Microsoft Word decides to work. Hello. How cute is this? Can you see it, guys? Alright, let's get him printed, shall we? Give him a little go. My old printer didn't cope with greens very well, so we'll see how this one does this piece. Do you think that's too big? Do you think it'd be cuter if it was smaller? I'm going to try it smaller. Oh yes, I think it's cuter. Okay, let's give it a go, shall we? Okay, I think let's just try printing it straight, and then we'll try editing some of the buttons and things. It's riveting, isn't it, this vlog? Riveting. You won't know what to do yourself. Turquoise green has come out really turquoise. You know what, I don't suppose you can even see that at all. The light's puppy, isn't it? It's pretty adorable though. I'm going to try it with a different setting. So I'm just going to try it changing the settings. So every time I want to print a card that looks like one of the rainbow cards, the kids' birthday cards, the Monstera Christmas cards, I have to change all these settings because then it prints them nice and vibrant. It does make my logo look like an acid yellow though. Looks like I've been having a right old rave. Look at it, it changes it completely. Okay. So is there much of a difference? Not really, I think this has come out a bit darker. No, don't think there's much of a difference to write home about. Let's do the next card. So sorry about the lighting, but I think that's a pretty adorable card, do you? I'm really pleased with that. Yep, Family, expect to get this in your little post box. And I think I might even put them in the shop as last minute packs. Yeah, I think I might. Yeah, there's still time. We've still got 2 or 3 weeks. Let's do it. That sunshine didn't last long. It's literally 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And that's it. We're in for the night. Wish me luck. The Mac is updating. There's a chance this vlog won't be going out this week. No. So my lovelies, that's it for this vlog. I know it's teeny tiny, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. I'm really going to try and do another one before Christmas time. You know, literally just before Christmas time, or maybe even over the Christmas period. If not, I will see you in the new year, but please like and subscribe anyway so you'll be notified when I do actually pop one on. And also check me out on social media. I'm on TikTok and Instagram most days. It's been wonderful. I've loved making these vlogs for you, even though, you know, steep learning curve, I've got so much to learn, and I really hope that you come back and join me when I'm able to start them up again. But my priority does have to be my customers and providing a really good quality service. I know you'll understand that. Take care, beautiful people. Keep safe. Masks, you know, hands, face, space and all that malarkey. look after each other, look out for those who you know will need extra support. Be in love.